A garage opener light can stop working due to several reasons, including a faulty light bulb, a faulty circuit board, or a damaged light socket. To fix the issue, one can start by replacing the light bulb. This involves turning off the garage door opener, removing the light bulb, and checking for any signs of damage or burnout. If the bulb is damaged, a new one of the same wattage can be installed. If replacing the bulb does not work, the circuit board should be checked. A damaged circuit board can prevent the garage opener light from working. To check the circuit board, the garage door opener should be powered off and then on, and any clicking sounds from the motor housing should be listened for. If no clicking sound is heard, the circuit board may need to be replaced. If this still does not resolve the issue, the light socket should be replaced, as it can wear out over time. The light socket should be inspected for corrosion, damaged wires, or faulty contacts. If any damage is found, a new light socket can be installed. By following these steps, a garage opener light that is not working can be fixed.